Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to extract text from anywhere on your screen using PowerToys Text Extractor. First, make sure PowerToys is installed and running. Open the PowerToys dashboard and click Text Extractor from the left panel. Turn it on using the toggle switch at the top. You'll see the shortcut key for this tool, Windows plus Shift plus T. Open any image that contains text, for example, a screenshot or a photo with writing on it. Now press Windows plus Shift plus T. Your screen will dim slightly, and your mouse cursor will change. Click and drag a box around the text area in the image. In an instant, PowerToys will copy the text inside that area to your clipboard. Open Notepad or Word, and press Ctrl plus V to paste. You'll see the extracted text appear, clean and editable. This is perfect when you want to copy text from a scanned document or a picture without retyping it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Full Course Online for more easy, practical tutorials like this one.